Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Okeechobee, Florida. I'm here to show you the 2016 Flagstaff, Forest River Flagstaff. Beautiful unit, it's a 30W RLS, nice mirrored wardrobe here, nice big bed. Got a really cool storage area here, uses the space very nicely. Nice wood-like flooring. Corner kitchen here. Got our nice area there as well. Moving in here, nice big kitchen area, freestanding dinette, sofa, and of course recliners. These are lazy boy recliners, so you know they're going to be comfortable. Solid surface countertops. Nice stove cover here, give you another flat surface to work on. Flat screen LG TV. Alright, let's take a look outside. Alright, so moving outside. Frameless windows here. We've got automatic awning, dual entry, making it easy to get in and out of this trailer. Nitrogen filled tires, of course. It is a Vino, so you've got your propane hidden there in the front. Makes for a nice sleek look. Slide toppers, really great feature. Keep your slides clean from debris. If you have any questions about this RV, call us 863-623-4689. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.